Can social media help your energy healing business grow, help you to make money, and you still being a spiritual being? Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from AwareMultimedia.com, and I create content for energy healers and lightworkers in the spiritual business. If this is you, continue watching. So you've decided to follow your path and become a spiritual energy healer. You've done your business plan, your website, your marketing, your products, your, how much you're going to charge, and you have a social media marketing business plan. Wait, what? Social media marketing? Yeah, that's right. How are you going to do it? Who's going to do it? Do you have the skills to do it? Do you have to hire somebody to do it? How much is it going to cost if you hire somebody to do it? And so on and so on and so on. And then if you do get all those things done, like, how are you supposed to promote it? How do you promote an energy healing business? What do you say to people? It's not like something that you can go and buy. Like you can buy a can of pop or, a lipstick or something. This is an actual service that you are providing for someone. And it's not a physical thing. It's an actual thing, but it's not a physical thing. And it has to do with how somebody's perceiving what it is that you're providing. Oh my goodness, how do you do all of that? Especially as an energy healer. So how are you going to grow your energy healing business? Well, the first thing obviously is to have a website. I know that, you can be on Facebook, you can be on Instagram and on YouTube and, on other platforms for free. However, that is not your platform. So therefore, you really need to have a website. I know. It's just a lot to do when it comes to running a business. But it's really important that you have your website where all of your things that you are going to be showcasing on other platforms has a home. Have a place where even if it's not on those platforms, you can come to your website and you can see those things there as well. So it's important to have that. And plus, if you're really serious about business, you should have a website presence. You need to create a space or a place where those who are looking for help, especially those who are wanting to help themselves on a spiritual level, emotional, mental, physical level even, they need to have a space to come to. You promote what you have to your main audience that you want to attract, right? You want to attract them to your business because there's something that you are providing that they need. You can use social medias like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube to attract potential clients by promoting your services online. But what about making money? How do you make money online? That's $1 million question. It is possible to make money online. And obviously with anything, you always have to have a strategy. And of course, what might work for you probably might not work for somebody else, but it is possible to do that online. And it's absolutely all right as a spiritual being to make money. The amount of money that you make is equal to how spiritual you are. That's my belief, by the way. But I believe that, like, if you are a spiritual person, your spirituality and the amount of money you make should be kind of equal, because money is energy and energy is money. And as a spiritual business, it's important that you make money with it. You might have to, level up your spirituality a little bit. And please don't let anyone tell you that, spiritual people should be poor or should have little money or should not have any desires. How else is anything going to get done? How else is it you're going to be able to give of yourself if you are feeling like you're lacking, So it's important that both kind of balance out. That's really all that I'm saying. To make money online or offline, you really have to have a plan. To do anything well worth doing, you really do need a plan. If you don't have a plan, how are you going to know what you're doing, right? And even if you do have a plan and you get off track, you at least have a plan to get back on so that you can at least know where you're at, right? Right. So what do you need? You need a social media strategy and ways to increase engagement, to get yourself out there, to build awareness, to increase your income. You need to know how SEO works, ways to measure metrics, ways to measure your milestones, and have goals that you want to reach as you go along in your journey. Social media is a very powerful tool for those who offer spiritual services and products, especially for Reiki practitioners, yoga, meditation, aura clearing, etc. It can be used to help promote your business, reach potential clients, build a community for your business, get your business out there. Now, that's not to say that every single thing that you plan is going to work out the way that you want it to, but then that doesn't mean it's not going to work out either. You also need to allow yourself to go through whatever processes that are specific to you, because what might work for some other energy healer or spiritual, entrepreneur or light worker may not work for you. Okay, so you have to allow yourself your own process and your own steps. And there's nothing wrong with that, okay? As a spiritual entrepreneur, it's really important that you stay focused and to stay positive. You need to be mindful of your clients, your possible employees, and of your own needs. It's not okay to totally ignore your own health or wellness or mental, emotional, spiritual self, all for the business. There has to be a balance, because as a spiritual energy healer, you have to be able to maintain a balance. And if you aren't healthy, or if you aren't in a healthy space when it comes to your mind, your emotions, your spirit, then it's kind of hard to do a good job when somebody comes to you for help. Do your very best to stay positive and try to remain open to learning new things and new ways of doing what you do. Now, one of the things that I need to caution you is social media. You need to be careful about what you post online, because what will happen is people will see that and they will judge you based on that one single post. So that's not to say you shouldn't be yourself. Feel free to be yourself, but just remember that you are running a business, and because you're running a business, you have to maintain a certain standard, I guess, and that depends on you, and that's something that you have to be mindful of. People do judge. No matter what you do, whether you do good, do bad, or be indifferent, you will be judged, and there's not very much you can do about it. All you have to do is uphold what is integral to you, okay? Remember to have fun while doing this, okay? Because it's challenging, especially when you decide to jump in with both feet. It's going to be a little bit challenging at first, but once you get going, it will be so much fun, and you'll have fun doing it. And, just be yourself. I'm trying to do just that. So I hope that this video is of help to you, and I hope that you got something out of it. I hope that this helps you get started on your journey. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember to hit that bell for upcoming videos. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.